Every adventure starts somewhere. Today it started right here, watering my plants, taking it slow, enjoying the morning before we head out. So we are here, and the first thing you notice walking in, everything is 380 rupees. Fixed price, no negotiation, no surprise at the counter. As someone who loves a good budget find, I'm already quite excited. The shop is packed. There's so much going on in here: decoration, stationery, kid stuff, kitchenware. Let's explore. First thing I spot cycles and toy cars for kids. Not exactly what I came for, but cute finds if you have little ones at home. Then a whole section of water bottles, and they have a good variety. Something quietly goes into the basket, but we'll talk about that later. Now this, I don't even know what to call this. I tapped its head and it just started vibrating. I don't know what it does, but it made my day. Moving on, found a journal section. As an artist, a good notebook is always quite useful. I got distracted with a puppet, but my niece shows up and physically drags me away. Fair enough. Back on track, found some sketch pads, which is always a good sign, and then a pink art kit. Now this one is going straight into the basket. Not for me, but for my niece, but we will reveal everything properly at home. They also have gel pens, storage baskets, and storage bags. Honestly, this place has everything. But the most unique find of the day? A wax stamp. I have never come across one of these in a local shop before. Really unexpected find. This is unique. And then stencils. Very useful for mixed media and upcycling projects. One thing I'll say about this shop, they actually have very good range of art products, but most of them are designed for kids rather than professional artists. Keep that in mind if you are planning a visit. And we are back. Tired but very satisfied. Trust me, this bag is heavier than it looks, and I think you are going to be surprised by what's inside. Alright, haul time. Everything you are seeing here costs 380 rupees total. Let's go through it properly. First up, the water bottle. Transparent, clean looking, and it actually has measurement markings on the side, which is a really nice touch. Helps you track how much water you are drinking during painting sessions. I would rate this one as 3 out of 5. It does the job, but don't expect anything fancy. Next, the journal notebook. And honestly, this one impressed me. The paper quality is really good, smooth, decent thickness. It feels nice to write and sketch on. I'm turning the pages so you can see for yourself. And now the letter stencils. These are lightweight, but they are easy to use. They are easy to handle and they work really well for texture art, mixed media project and canvas lettering. One small thing, the letter A is a little oddly shaped, which is worth mentioning, but overall very useful. Now the pink art kit I picked for my niece. Let me show you what's inside. It has 6 colors of paint, a brush, an easel and a drawing book. Everything a little artist needs to get started. I would rate this 4 out of 5. And tada! I saved the best one for last. 2 book reading lights with clips. And I have already been using these at home, so I can give you a very honest review about them. And now watch this. I'm going to clip it onto the book, turn off the lights and let the light do the talking. Every single letter on the page is completely visible, crystal clear, and it has a button on the back so you can easily adjust it. Well, if I could rate this higher than 5, I absolutely would. I would give it a 10. These are genuinely one of the best finds I have come across. I would rate these 5 out of 5 and these are highly recommended. See you in the next one. Bye bye.